Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. This past Saturday was Rustoberfest in New Florence, Missouri, and this caught my eye. Just had to shoot it. I guess it's an apocalyptic rum runner, and there's a hell of a story behind it. I don't know the story, but look at the exhaust tips, the skulls coming out there. And I think I shot this car last year, but quite a unique vehicle. And it's a rum runner. So it's full of hooch, and then the flame shooting out the top of the engine. You can see the skulls there on the exhaust. Look at all the bottles of rum. Pretty cool car. Thought I would shoot it just to show you just some of the eclectic stuff you see at Rustoberfest. And I'll be posting more. Unfortunately, nobody was around their vehicles. They're all having a great time elsewhere. So I shot a lot of cars, but don't really have the stories.